Welcome to our channel where we discuss commercial properties. Today, we'll be talking about medical buildings and why they're a unique type of commercial property. Medical buildings. Medical buildings are commercial properties specifically designed for medical purposes. They're usually equipped with specialized features such as exam rooms, surgical suites, and other medical equipment. These features can make medical buildings more expensive to build and maintain compared to other types of commercial properties. Medical buildings can house a variety of healthcare providers, such as medical offices, clinics, and hospitals. Because of the specialized nature of medical facilities, they require strict compliance with health and safety regulations. This can make them more complex to manage than other types of commercial properties. Despite these challenges, medical buildings can be a great investment opportunity for those interested in commercial real estate. Healthcare is a growing industry, and the demand for medical services is only increasing. As the population ages and healthcare technology advances, the need for specialized medical facilities will only grow. One advantage of investing in medical buildings is the potential for long-term, stable tenancy. Healthcare providers tend to sign longer leases compared to other types of tenants, which can provide a stable income stream for investors. Additionally, because medical buildings tend to be located in densely populated areas, there is a lower risk of vacancy compared to other types of commercial properties. Another advantage of investing in medical buildings is the potential for higher rental rates. Healthcare providers are willing to pay a premium for specialized medical facilities with state-of-the-art equipment and amenities. This can provide a higher return on investment compared to other types of commercial properties. In conclusion, medical buildings are a unique type of commercial property with their own set of challenges and opportunities. With the growing demand for healthcare services, investing in medical buildings can be a smart and profitable investment. As always, it's important to do your due diligence and work with experienced professionals to ensure success in the commercial real estate industry. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.